Hello, Namaste. If you are watching this video, then I believe you have a son or a daughter or both studying in Chitrakoota School. I am Chinmay Ananda. One of my expertise is to train people on public speaking. And I will be conducting a workshop on public speaking to students in Chitrakoota. Public speaking is a skill. So is swimming and driving. Do you think we can learn swimming or driving online? Do you think we can learn swimming or driving just by reading some books? It is only by jumping in the pool we can slowly get over the fear of water and learn swimming. Same thing applies to public speaking. And that is exactly what we are going to do in the two sessions that we will be conducting on public speaking, where we will be asking all the students one by one to come on stage to introduce themselves. We will be giving 30 seconds talk on various topics where we'll be asking them to prepare so that they get used to writing their own content, which means they will be expressing it from their heart and not just from their mind. Yes, I promise that they will not overcome the fear of public speaking in two sessions, so it would be a lie, but somewhere they have to start. They have to feel that nervousness, that anxiety on stage, and slowly overcome it. Because I remember how I went about learning swimming. My father used to pick me up and throw me in the water, and somehow I used to swim and gasp for breath and come out of the pool, and again he used to pick me and again throw me inside the pool. And after 4 5 times it became fun, and I was asking my father, Papa, throw me once again, throw me once again. That is what we need to do with our students, with our children. We need to give them opportunities to go on stage again and again and again, so that the stage becomes their comfort zone and they will start having fun expressing their thoughts. I really look forward to educating, training, and more importantly, getting them excited about public speaking. The dates will be on Saturday and Sunday, 5th and 6th of August. I'm sure along with this video, the necessary details will be sent to you to get registered. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.